What's goody? What's goody, y'all? Hold up. Hold up. Are we looking at a licensed attorney or somebody that's dressed up like an attorney? Because Corey Holcomb and his lawyer is exposing the lead attorney. They're going to a level that I don't know if anybody has gone before. Pause. They're saying that not only is the lead attorney practicing out of a trap house, they are saying that anybody that's getting consultations from the lead attorney should be thinking about that, because since he's not a practicing attorney, if police or people like that were ever called into play, he could be subpoenaed and your own information will not be secret or safe.
Oh, no, you can't be serious. That is some bullshit right there.
A lot of people are asking questions to say, yo, did Corey and his lawyer dox the lead attorney? We never knew the lead name. They talking about the lead name, all type of, yo, this is crazy. It's going to another level. Salute to everybody. Right now, if you somebody feeling like this, we're going to get into this video.
Can you hear me?
Brother Dion, listen, I'm gonna turn it over to you and just let you say what you're gonna say right now. But I got a couple of questions that we can put out there for this fake ass motherfucker that I think is an operative, because his profile doesn't look real. But is it something you want to tell the people? Because this fake motherfucker called you out your name, and I don't know why he did that. If he's really a man who is a lawyer, but I'm just saying, is it something you want to say in the beginning? Because you've done the research on this. You know what's happening, Dion. Derek?
Definitely. Well, I want to talk directly to lead attorney. You know, when he first reached out to me, he reached out to me as a comrade, a brother, and a friend. And, you know, I trusted this guy. I never thought that he would use me for content. See, I'm a real trial lawyer. I'm not a YouTube lawyer. I don't understand how this whole content works. If you look at my YouTube page, I have 2 subscribers. He has 600,000. Yeah. Now, when he first reached out to me, I didn't know that he had a relationship with Corey at first. I didn't know he was on Corey's show. So he really was backdooring Corey to try to get me on his show to do this interview. And we'll get to the whole part of whether Corey gave me consent or not at the end of this. But first, I want to talk about lead attorney. After he got on this show and basically disrespected me in my practice, I hired a private investigator, Sergeant Sean Morgan, down here in Fort Bend County in Texas. And one thing that we noticed about lead attorney is that, you know, for the last 25 years, he's paraded around everywhere. And for like the last 5 years, going under the name lead attorney. But if you look at all of his products, services, everything that it offers, he's never used his real name. I bet you don't know his real name. So my private investigator found out that his real name was Jamison Corey Campbell. And I reached out to the state bar and his license is inactive. I pulled the rules out of Georgia, even though I'm out of Texas.
Your daddy don't care about you. He a deadbeat. He be with them other kids by that lady he married to. Your daddy ain't paid no child support for you. That was enough for us to get stuff with.
Joe, I hired my private investigator who I talked to, and he gave me some information. But I also talked to my good friend, Durante Partridge, who's an attorney in Atlanta, who stopped by lead attorney's office. And we have pictures of this, only to find that he operated out of a trap house in Atlanta that has burglar bars. That. Yeah, it's a trap house, burglar bars on the front door. It's a commercial mail place. I mean, this guy.
Yo, a trap house is crazy. A trap house is crazy. So we got to see the trap house, because you know they got to come with some kind of receipts. We need something to see, right? Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. A trap house
is, I mean, he's had the whole world fooled, right?
Yeah.
No staff, law trapping. I mean, this guy.
We got a picture of the place. Did you send them a picture of the place where his office is supposed to be?
I surely did. That would be slide. That would be slide 15 for the engineer.
You got that? Hey, because it's just like, I understand they're after me. They want me to look bad. And I'm just saying, it's like, okay, but this guy lied. See what he did? He said, you remember the part where you said, I'm clear to talk? I'm sure you were telling him, yeah, I'm clear to talk.
Right.
What about it?
I will break that entire story down. So when he reached out to me, I said, hey, I need to speak to Corey first to see if I'm clear to speak about this. I ultimately learned that he had been on your show. You talked to him. You guys were good friends. I'm like, oh, okay. And he's telling me that, hey, I want to support Corey. Oh, I'm clear for that. You're a good guy. You've been on the show, et cetera, et cetera. Corey's a very busy man. I'm a very busy man. You have to go through the ranks to get to Corey sometimes. So no, Corey did not clear me to talk to him. But at the same time, this guy's saying that he's a friendly guy and he's saying he's here to support Corey. And I know what to say on a lawyer's show and what not to say. And anything I'm going to say is just going to help Corey. So I didn't think it was a big deal. But this guy, he took that to say that I did something unethical. Unethical would be I settled Corey's case without his permission. I filed a lawsuit without running it by Corey. We're talking about a news interview, right? Lawyers get on the news at the drop of a dime every freaking day. It's not a big deal. But when you're dealing with this YouTube guy, he's going to take something small, right? Just to get clicks, likes, comments, and subscribes. Yes. But at the end of the day, you know, this guy's engaging in the unauthorized practice of the law, which is illegal. So for him to comment on me, I mean, I was just a little bit taken aback and surprised.
Well, there is no right or wrong in this crooked YouTube game because the things that's being said about me, like I said, man, I don't have criminal history like that. I don't have history like none of this stuff that they're saying I'm doing. So I want to welcome you to the cold-blooded fuck shit YouTube game.
I see. I mean, this is worse than court.
Yeah, it's have-nots trying to build position in society because they have no position in society. My position in society comes from being a stand-up comedian over 30 years. Your position in society comes from actually practicing law and watch this, helping people. Helping people. I know who you.
They about to go into some exposés. They exposing him. They showing who he is. Some people are saying that maybe the league attorney has some defamation, some kind of suit, some claims that he could make. I don't know. They both are attorneys, and I would think that this attorney should know what he's doing. And I think that anything that they're trying to expose about the lead attorney, I think him even being a lawyer at all, ever, I think that he understands covering his own back. You know what I'm saying? I think he understands that. So this is going to play out, and I just don't see it ending anytime soon. I just wonder if the lead attorney is going to respond today or if he's going to respond tomorrow.
You are, Brother Derek. I can't believe you're around helping me, to be quite honest. I'm glad you're around helping me. And now they got a picture of this. This is a mailbox place where it's supposed to be his office. How much does he charge? How much does he pay a month for this office?
$7